Let's learn sentences that use want in Kannada. Sentence 1. What does he want? In Kannada, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Translation. ಅವನಿಗೆ to him. ಏನು what? ಬೇಕು want. Sentence 2. I want a chapati. In Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಪಾತಿ ಬೇಕು. Translation. ನನಗೆ to me. ಒಂದು one. ಬೇಕು want. Sentence 3. How many dosas do you want? In Kannada, ನಿನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೋಸೆ ಬೇಕು? Translation. ನಿನಗೆ to you. ಎಷ್ಟು how much? ಬೇಕು want. Sentence 4. She don't want anything. In Kannada, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. In translation, ಅವಳಿಗೆ to her. ಏನು anything ಬೇಡ. Don't want. Thank you.